Hey everybody, Dave here, Amateur Hour Restorations. I said in our video I was going to do a simple, silly little video about the simplest thing to do, but saved $50 buying a used part that with no guarantee it's going to work. So here it is. I'm going to give you a video about what bulb fixture I ended up putting in the courtesy light. Like I said, it's going to be a simple little video, but I mentioned in the other video that I happened to find the wiring harness for this. It was in a box that I hadn't looked in for a long time, and I plugged it all in. Of course, the battery's plugged up, and they had just a look like a brake light bulb hooked up, and I opened the door and that bulb turned on, and I got the biggest smile on my face. I don't know why, it was just silly, but I did a little research and figured out a way to mount that bulb in there, and here's how I did it. Alright guys, I said in a prior video I'll do a little simple video about this courtesy light that's on the back of this console, and I'll show you a little simple thing I did to put a light in there without spending $50 for a used bulb holder. Ooh, no, yeah. Okay, there it is. Maybe I can close up on this later. All this is, so went and looked online for an LED bulb. Harbor Freight had this. This is a license plate bulb. And how the other one is, there's a little plastic holder that screws in here down at the bottom. It's got just two wires connections, and you snap the little tube bulb in it. Like I said, it was $50 for a used one. Those tend to heat up, get brittle, so you're gambling doing that anyhow. So what I did was, and I'll put a picture of the part number and everything for this bulb. All I had to do, I was going to put this in from the bottom, and I cleaned up this a little bit, started doing that, and I was like, well, if I can put it in from the top, if it ever goes bad, I just take the screws out, pull the wires up, I put connectors on it, and I can change it without pulling the whole console out. So that's what I did. The only thing I had to do was the rectangle there, take a little file and just clean it up a little bit. That thing slid right down in there. Mark 2 spots, drill some holes, and tapped them. They are pretty close to the hole opening, but it worked fine. And I mean, that's pretty, and it's directional, it shoots out the back. That's a pretty bright light, I think. So like I said, I'll put a picture of the part number and everything once I have my grandson show me how to do that, because I'm not a video computer guy. He is. So. I hope somebody gets some use out of this little video. Like I said, that's pretty dang bright. And I can see the LED lasting the rest of my life. Maybe I'll have to show my grandson how to change it out, so when he takes over the car after I'm not around anymore. So hope you enjoyed the video, and just remember, it'll be fine.